Hi, I'm Maria. Let's talk about how Welpowel's compact but powerful inverter DC ARC S80 welder can improve your do-it-yourself project. The package contains stick electrode holders, ground cable, and clamps. The input is 110 volts or 220 volts, and the maximum output is 80 amps. It has a high duty cycle that can weld 5 consecutive 2.6 pi welding rods. It's the smallest of any other ARC welding machine available in the US, cutting edge and professional. It's lightweight and easily portable, weighing between 6 and 7 pounds. Available colors are red, white, blue, and yellow. This triangular welding machine does not fall easily as compared to other machines that fall off the tables. The failure rate is reduced by minimizing wiring and organizing the main structural parts. Since failure rates are minimized, it's reliable at home or the workplace. Safety features include built-in electric shock prevention device, built-in hot start function, and anti-stick function. Stable structural design, patented in Korea, dissipates unnecessary heat, so it's eco-friendly and consumes less power. Start your convenient and satisfying do-it-yourself metal welding with Welpowel's S80.